Yes, miss.
Hello, myself Neha teacher, and today I'm welcome all of you for online session organized by BMC. So we start our session with a rhyme. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. So let's start. To buy a small chick. Home again, jiggery, jiggery, jig. Repeat. To market, small, buy a small chick. Home again, jiggery, jiggery, jig. To
Market.
fat dog.
One fat dog.
Market to buy a fat dog. Home again, jiggery, jiggery, jog. To buy a small pig.
To market.
To buy a small pig.
Buy small
Again, home again. Jiggery, jiggery, jig.
Home again.
Home again. Jiggery, jiggery, jig.
Home again. Home again.
Jiggery, jiggery, jig. To market, to buy a fat hog.
Dog.
Home again.
Horse.
Jiggery, jiggery, jog. Jiggery, jiggery, jog. Are you enjoy the song?
Yes.
Jiggery, jiggery, jog.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now I'm showing something. Okay. You tell me what is the name of this thing and where you buy the thing. Okay. So see, these are a toy.
Yes.
This is a
Yes.
ball, right? Okay. Where do you buy this thing?
Toy shop.
Yes. This is a
Cabbage and tomato.
yes.
Cabbage and tomato.
Cabbage, tomato, vegetables. है ना? Okay.
Yes.
Where do you buy these vegetables?
Vegetable seller or vegetable vendor.
Sorry?
Vegetables market.
Yes.
Vegetable vendor.
Okay. Good. It's sprout. Where do you buy this thing? Sprout, pulses, grain, grocery, all these things.
Snack shop. Market.
From from grocery shops, है ना? From grocery market. So
Journal shop.
we buy from a shop, and all these shops are in a market. Yes.
Yes.
So today we are going to discuss about the market. Okay. This
Okay.
we are discuss about the market. So in this discussion, you are the main part. You play a main role in this discussion. Okay. Huh. So now I'm showing you a picture, some picture. Hmm. You tell me what is it? Date 16 October 2020. Subject play, do and learn. And our topic is market. This is a vegetable market. Yes?
Vegetable market.
Yes, this is a vegetable market. And
Fruit market. markets.
No, this is the vegetables. See, vegetables are there. Tomato, corn, beetroot. So this is a vegetable seller. Yes,
Vegetable.
vegetable seller. Yes. Then this is a
Kids.
huh?
Fruits.
Fruit market.
Market.
Yes,
Fruit
this is
market.
the fruit market. And this is a
Fruits market. Market.
and the person is
Vegetable and fruit market.
yes, the person is a fruit seller. This person is a fruit seller. Say fruit seller.
Fruit seller.
Yes. Now this is a which market? Which place is this?
Fish market. Market.
Yes, this is a fish market. And this is a this
Fish
lady
market.
is fish seller.
Fish seller.
Hmm.
Fish seller. Fish
See, this is a new concept. This is a new concept. Which market is this?
Mall. Mall.
Huh?
Mart.
Yes,
Mall.
DMart. Very good, DMart. And the DMart, Big Bazaar. Do you know the DMart and Big Bazaar?
Yes.
Yes. So these are a supermarket. So this is a supermarket. Okay. Okay. So which market we saw in the picture?
Fruit seller.
Yes.
Fruit
Saw
market.
fruit seller.
Vegetable. Market. Market.
Yes.
Fruit market.
Fruit market. Very good.
Super mall.
Sorry.
Vegetable market.
Vegetable market. Yes. Say loudly like me. Okay. And
Supermarket. Supermarket.
supermarket. Very good. New term. We saw a new term that is supermarket. Very good. So the market is a place where people go to buy or sell things. Okay. When people have product to sell, they set up a market. Market is a place. Listen carefully, okay? Market is a place where people go to buy or sell things. When people have product to sell, they set up a market. First, we saw a vegetable market. Yes, right?
Yes.
So, vegetable market is a place where the people sell the vegetable and some people come for buying the vegetables. Got it? Vegetable market is a place where the people sell the vegetable and some people come to buy a vegetables. We see various type of vegetable there. Which type of vegetable we saw in the picture?
What types? Potato.
Yes.
And many
Cabbage.
types
Yes.
of vegetables.
Yes.
Cabbage.
We saw cabbage, tomato, potato, beetroot, है ना? Corn, brinjal.
Cauliflower.
Okay. Are you going to market with your mother?
Brinjal, potato.
Yes. Brinjal, potato. Yes.
Tomato.
Yes.
Tomato, brinjal, cabbage.
Yes.
Cauliflower.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Corn.
When you go to the market with your mother, are you going to market with your mother?
Yes.
Yes. So when you go to the market with your mother, which type of question mother asks to the vegetable seller?
Brinjal is purple. Purple.
Huh?
Red. Brinjal is purple. Tomato is red.
Which type of question?
Cabbage is green.
Huh? Which type of question she asked to the vegetable seller? She asked how much rupees 1 kilo lady finger?
Lady finger is green.
Yes,
160.
but she asked now how much is the price of lady finger? She asked. Mother asked to the vegetable seller. She asked,
Tomato 40 rupees kg.
yes, yes. That then the vegetable seller replied, tomato is 40 rupees kg. Yes. So in this way, the communication between the consumer and the seller in the vegetable market. Then second market. Which market we saw second? Secondly, which market we saw secondly?
Wholesale is retail.
Fruit market?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So fruit market means a place where the people come for selling and buying a fruit. Understood?
Yes.
Fruit market is a place where the people come for selling and buying of fruits. Can you tell me which variety of fruit you see in the fruit market?
Apple, mango. Apple, mango. Custard apple. Custard apple. Apple. Pineapple.
Yes,
Pineapple. Banana.
very good.
Pomegranate.
Variety.
Red watermelon. Watermelon.
Okay. So variety of fruits you see in the fruit market, right?
Right. Pen.
Can you tell me your favorite fruit and the taste of this fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Rihan. First Rihan. Okay. Rihan, tell me your favorite fruit and the taste of this fruit.
My favorite fruit is mango.
Yeah, very good. And the taste of mango is
Sweet and sour. Sweet apple.
sweet. Okay. Then Maitreyi.
It comes. Summer
Maitreyi,
season.
are you there? Tell me your favorite fruit and the taste of the fruit. Unmute yourself, beta. Okay. Ruhi, are you there now? Ruhi, beta. Are you there? Okay. Okay, no problem, no problem. So, Rihan tells mango is the Rihan's favorite fruit and the taste of mango is sweet. Okay. So, now those who are,
is apple.
okay, your favorite fruit is apple. Very good. And the taste of apple?
Lightly sweet.
Lightly sweet. Very good. Nice answer. Nice answer. Okay. So, Ruhi, Okay, so the person who sell the fruit is called a fruit seller. We saw now the picture of fruit seller. We saw the picture of fruit seller.
Yes.
Person who sell the fruit is called a fruit seller. Okay. Okay. Ruhi, are you there? Okay. So tell me your favorite fruit, Ruhi.
Miss
Huh,
Apple.
apple. And the taste of apple is? Lightly sweet. Right? Okay. Then the third market. Which market we saw? And the third,
Supermarket.
fish
General.
market. Fish market. Do you like fish?
Yes. Fresh
Yes.
market.
Do you like fish?
Yes. Fish market.
Yes. Okay. So the fish market is a marketplace for selling a fish product. It can be dedicated to wholesale trade between a fisherman and consumers, or to sell off a seafood to individual consumer also. A fish market is a marketplace for selling to fish product, to selling a fish product. It can be dedicated to wholesale trade between a fisherman and a fish merchant,
Then.
or to sell off a seafood to individual customer also. Okay.
Okay.
We saw a variety of fish over there. We saw a variety of fish over there. है ना? We saw the picture of the fish market. In this picture, we saw the variety of fish over there.
Yes.
When you saw a picture of the fish market, that time we saw a variety of fish over there, right?
Right.
So those who sell the fish, the person who sell the fish called a fish seller or a fisherman. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then the last concept we saw. Which concept we saw lastly? A new concept of a market.
Supermarket.
Yes, supermarket. Can anyone tell me the name of this supermarket?
Demand.
Yes, and
Big Bazaar.
bazaar. Very good. Are you going to the D-Mart and Big Bazaar?
Yes.
With
Yes.
Yes. For which purpose do you go to D-Mart?
Yes.
Why? Why?
मम्मा के साथ सामान लेने.
Yes, for buying buying something. Yes, buying a grocery thing, some cleanliness things, है ना? Some personal hygienic things. Buying from the D-Mart. Yes. So a new concept we saw today, that is a supermarket. Okay. So in the supermarket, do you know, we get everything in a one place. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So the supermarket is a large grocery shop. A supermarket is a large grocery shop that sell a large variety of a fresh and packaged food. है ना? The other consumer and household purchase supermarket are divided into sections. Am I right? Supermarket like DMart. DMart is also divided into a sections. Dairy product, meat, packaged good, cleaning supplies, and a personal hygiene goods. Yes? Yes? DMart is also supermarket is divided into a many sections. Section wise the supermarket is divided. है ना? And all the thing, you got all the thing in a one place. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes,
today
yes.
we saw vegetable market, vegetable seller, fruit market, fruit seller, fish market, fish merchant and seller, and a supermarket. New concept, a supermarket. Okay. So I will show you the word market.
Market. Market. Market.
Yes. Vegetable.
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 Yes. Fruit.
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 Fish.
Fish. Fish. Fish.
Fish.
Fish market.
Yes. Grocery.
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 Sell.
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 Buy.
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 Buy. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me what you see in the market?
I see different kind of shops.
Say loudly, beta.
I see different kind of shops.
Okay, different kind of shop. Yes, Rihan see the different kind of shop. Very good. And Maitreyi, what do you see in the market? Okay, can anyone try, Ruhi?
Teacher.
What do you see in the market?
Vegetable vendor, fruit vendor, clothes shop, furniture shop, snack shop, fish
Yes,
market,
fish market. Yes, you saw
fish market,
fish market, fish over there. Yes, very
yes, supermarket.
good. Yes. DMart. You all are going to go to the DMart. Yes, for buying a thing. Yes. Then second question, which thing do you like most to buy in the market? Which thing?
Toys market.
Yes.
Toys market.
Toys. Very good. I know. You all are like toys. Yes. Which type of market we saw today?
My supermarket, vegetable market, fruit market, fish, fish shop, fish market.
Yes. Yes. Any poem do you know regarding the market in any language? Any language. No language barriers. Do you know any poem?
Yes, I know one poem. Clap your hands.
Loudly, beta.
Rain, rain, go away, come again.
Regarding the market, regarding the shop, any language.
Yes, that's market. के टोकरी में सो रहे बैगन ने रात में रो
Say
रहे
loudly,
थे
say loudly.
ये तो हंस रहे थे मिस
Huh? Yes,
मार्केट
I am asking any poem or anything that you talk or sing, any poem you sing regarding the market in any language. No language restriction over there. Like एका माकडाने काढलंय दुकान आली गिराई के छान छान आली गिराई के छान 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 like this.
एक बंदर ने खोली दुकान बंदर मामा देखो मेरे कान बेच रहे थे चाय
एक बंदर ने खोली दुकान.
बंदर ने
Right?
खोली दुकान
आती है?
थोड़ी
No?
थोड़ी
No problem.
खोली थी दुकान
So,
रात
you like the session?
एक बंदर ने खोली दुकान
इस बंदर के दुकान की
इस बंदर के
बड़ी बंदर से उसकी शान.
पीछे करके
एक बंदर की दुकान
Okay, no problem, beta. No problem. Okay. So, are you enjoy the session?
yes
Yes?
yes
Okay. So, we end our session with also a song. Okay. We end our session with a song, a funny song. Okay. So, sing with me. Are you ready?
yes
Okay. Make a funny face. Make a funny face. Make a funny face. Make a funny face. Move your eyes, mouth and nose. Move your eyes, mouth and nose. Funny face. Make a funny face. Make a happy face. Make a happy face. With great big smile. With great big smile. Happy face. Happy face. Happy face. Happy face. Make a funny face. Make a funny face. Yes, make a funny face. Make a funny face. Move your eyes, mouth and nose. Make a funny face. Make a sad face. Make a sad face. Your tears and pour. Make a sad face. Sad face. Sad face. Sad face. Sad face. Make a funny face. Make a funny face. Move your eyes, mouth and nose. Make a funny face. Make a angry face. Angry face. Make a angry face. Angry face. Make a angry face. Great big prawn. Make a angry face. Make a angry face. Angry face. Angry face. Angry face. Angry face.
Angry
Make
face.
make a funny face.
Face.
Make a
Make
funny
a funny
face. Move your eyes, mouth and nose. Make a funny face.
face.
Make a cute face.
Face.
Make a
Make
cute
a
face. Make a cute face. As nice as can. Make a cute face.
face.
Cute face.
Face.
Cute face.
Make a cute
Cute
face.
face. Cute face.
Cute
Make
face.
a happy face. Make a funny face. Move your eyes, mouth and nose. Make a happy face.
Move your eyes
Okay,
up and nose. Make a happy face.
very good. Are you enjoy the session now?
Yes.
Okay. Now it's time to over the session. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay. Bye.
Okay. Bye. अभी नहीं सुनता